Temperatures continue to drop across the area, mid to upper 20s north, right around the freezing mark. Knoxville to the east, and the purple is some snow. The darker purple, a little bit steadier. We're seeing that fall in Gatlinburg. Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies, starting to see a little bit of the grassy areas once again, picking up some accumulations and a different view, a little bit higher elevation there in Gatlinburg. From Sky Park up there, you can see that. So let's kind of look at how much longer this is going to last. Not much longer, really. Maybe a couple more hours, things will start to wind down, and then we're really just talking about pavement temperatures and if the roads are still damp in your area. So as we've been saying, a coating possible with some of the snow that moves through this evening overnight. That's not the main story. It's where the snow falls, where the rain fell earlier today, and just how cold the pavement temperatures are. Most interstates doing okay at this point, but I know some side roads, especially further north, we are getting colder there, and that trend will continue as we head into daybreak. But again, as the moisture tapers off, that's when temperatures will start to drop. So it's the race. Which happens first, right? Does the road dry out where you are before it drops? It's going to be a wait and see. But please just be careful first thing tomorrow morning. Anybody has that opportunity for some patchy black ice. And what we mean by that is it looks like the road is wet, but it's actually ice underneath, because what happens, obviously, the snow melts, colder temperatures move in, and you get those icy conditions. We're going to fall in the 20s most areas overnight, with some along the plateau dipping down into the mid to upper teens. So certainly very cold overnight tonight. Tomorrow is drier, still chilly, mid to upper 30s, some close to 40, but it's at least above freezing. So we will see some additional melting taking place as we go through the day. Another cold start Friday morning, low to mid 20s. A decent thaw Friday afternoon. We're in the upper 40s to low 50s, but you see all those arrows kind of dizzying, right? Gusty winds, so it's going to feel much cooler than this because of those gusty winds. We also have some really cold air that's making its way into the northeastern part of the U.S., coming across the Great Lakes on Friday. It clips our area Friday night. That's what we call a clipper. So it squeezes out moisture. This is 7 p.m., taking it into the overnight hours. So as that cold air comes in and squeezes out the moisture, maybe a few random flurries or very light snow showers. But the bigger thing is going to be the colder air that kind of settles into the area first thing on Saturday. So when does it warm up? Well, here is part of that clipper. It's air that's dropping from basically Russia through Canada, coming into the northeastern U.S. This is Saturday, and that's what clips our area, right? So the harder the cold air is to the north, we get a glancing blow. That slides out, and then here comes the milder air, slowly pushing into the area as we head through next week, Tuesday into Wednesday. It's actually going to be pretty nice compared to where we have been, but we have to get there first, right? So tomorrow, still chilly. Watch out first thing in the morning. We'll see upper 40s Friday, but the brisk winds will feel cooler than that. There's the cool down behind that clipper system that affects the northeast more so. We're going to be near 40. Then we thaw out. 49 on Sunday. There's 56 on Monday, and wow, 61 degrees. I don't even care if it's raining and 61 degrees on Wednesday.